Hello everyone, this is Sam, your experienced financial advisor, and welcome back to the channel. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is the biggest football tournament in history. Before start the video, subscribe the channel The Income Engine, press the bell icon for more latest updates. With 48 teams, more than 100 matches, and millions of fans searching for football content every day, this event creates one of the biggest opportunities for content creators. But here's the exciting part. You don't need expensive equipment, a professional studio, or even advanced video editing skills to start a football YouTube channel today. With the help of artificial intelligence, you can create professional football content from your laptop and potentially build an audience during the World Cup. In today's video, I will show you step-by-step how to create FIFA World Cup 2026 content using AI tools, how to generate video ideas, create scripts, produce videos, design thumbnails, and monetize your channel. Make sure to watch until the end, because I'll also share a complete daily workflow that beginners can follow. Why FIFA World Cup 2026 is a huge opportunity. Let's first understand why this tournament is such a massive opportunity. Every World Cup attracts billions of viewers worldwide. Fans search for match predictions, player news, group standings, highlights, travel guides, ticket information, and football analysis. This means there is a constant demand for content before, during, and after every match. Many people think they need to attend matches physically or have insider football knowledge to create content. That's simply not true. With AI tools, you can research matches, generate scripts, create voiceovers, and edit videos quickly. The goal is not to compete with major sports networks. The goal is to serve specific audiences looking for information and entertainment around FIFA World Cup 2026. Step 1. Choose your football content niche. The first step is choosing your content niche. Instead of covering everything, focus on one category. Option 1 is match predictions. For example, Portugal versus Uzbekistan prediction, Argentina versus Austria prediction, England versus Ghana match preview. Option 2 is football news. You can cover player injuries, team updates, tournament news, press conferences. Option 3 is football facts. Examples: interesting World Cup records, greatest goals in World Cup history, top players to watch. Option 4 is financial and travel content. Examples: how much does it cost to attend the World Cup? Best budget travel tips for fans, how to buy tickets safely. Choose one niche and stay consistent. Step 2. Generate unlimited video ideas with AI. Now let's generate content ideas. Open ChatGPT and ask, give me 100 FIFA World Cup 2026 YouTube video ideas. Within seconds, AI will generate enough content for months. You can also ask, generate trending football topics for today. Generate World Cup prediction video ideas. Create football shorts ideas. Save all these ideas in a spreadsheet. This becomes your content calendar. Never run out of ideas again. Step 3. Create a professional script using AI. Once you have a topic, create a script. Let's say your topic is, can Portugal win the FIFA World Cup 2026? Ask AI. Write a 10-minute YouTube script discussing Portugal's chances of winning the FIFA World Cup 2026. The AI will generate introduction, team analysis, key players, strengths, weaknesses, predictions, conclusion. Always review and personalize the script. Add your opinions. Add statistics. Make the content unique. Remember, AI should assist you, not completely replace your creativity. Step 4. Create AI voiceovers. The next step is creating a voiceover. You can use AI voice generators. Paste your script into the tool. Select a natural voice. Generate the audio. Listen carefully. Make adjustments if necessary. Export the final voice file. Now you have a professional narration without needing expensive recording equipment. Step 5. Create visuals and video footage. Now let's create visuals. Use Canva for player graphics, match posters, statistics charts, football-themed backgrounds. Use AI image generators for football stadium concepts, fan celebrations, team illustrations. Combine images, graphics, and text animations to keep viewers engaged. Remember to use properly licensed content and avoid copyright issues. Step 6. Edit the video. Import your voiceover into a video editor. Add visuals matching the narration. Use transitions, Add background music at low volume. Include team logos, player statistics, match schedules, interesting facts. Keep the pace fast and engaging. Avoid long static scenes. Step 7. Design a high CTR thumbnail. The thumbnail is extremely important. Use large player images, bold text, bright contrast, clear emotions. Example text. Portugal can win it. Upset incoming? Shock prediction. A good thumbnail can double or even triple your views. Spend time making it attractive. Step 8. Monetize your football channel. Now let's talk about money. YouTube ad revenue, affiliate marketing, football merchandise promotions, sports betting sponsorships where legally allowed, travel affiliate programs, football gaming partnerships, digital products such as football prediction guides. The more targeted your audience, the easier monetization becomes. Step 9. Build a daily content production system. Now let's talk about the secret that separates successful football creators from everyone else. Consistency. Most people create a few videos, don't get views immediately, and quit. But successful YouTube channels treat content creation like a business. Here's a simple daily workflow you can follow during FIFA World Cup 2026. First, spend 15 to 20 minutes researching trending football topics. Check match schedules, team news, player injuries, and social media discussions. Next, use AI to generate a script. This should take no more than 15 minutes. Then create your AI voiceover and collect visuals. This can be completed within 30 to 45 minutes. After that, edit your video and design your thumbnail. Focus on making the first impression powerful, because viewers decide within seconds whether they will click. Finally, upload your content with an SEO-optimized title, description, and tags. By following this process, you can realistically publish one long-form video and multiple shorts every day. Step 10. How much can a football YouTube channel earn? Many beginners ask, can I actually make money from a FIFA World Cup channel? The answer is yes, but it requires consistency and quality. A channel receiving 100,000 monthly views can start generating income through YouTube ads. As your audience grows, you can add affiliate marketing, sponsorships, football merchandise promotions, travel partnerships, and digital products. Some creators earn a few $100s per month, while larger football channels generate thousands of dollars every month. The key is building an audience first. Revenue follows attention. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you start, let me share a few mistakes that new creators often make. Number 1. Copying other channels exactly. Use competitors for inspiration, but always add your own unique angle. Number 2. Ignoring thumbnails. Even the best video will fail if nobody clicks on it. Number 3. Uploading inconsistently. YouTube rewards creators who publish regularly. Number 4. Using low-quality AI voices. Always choose natural-sounding narration. Number 5. Giving up too early. Most successful creators spent months building momentum before seeing significant results. Final thoughts. The FIFA World Cup 2026 is more than just a football tournament. It is one of the biggest content opportunities of the decade. Millions of fans will search for predictions, news, analysis, travel information, player updates, and football stories every single day. With modern AI tools, you no longer need expensive equipment or a large production team. You can research, script, narrate, edit, and publish professional football content from your home. The creators who start today will have a massive advantage when World Cup excitement reaches its peak. So don't wait for the perfect moment. Choose your niche, create your first video, and begin building your football audience right now. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so you never miss future content about AI, online income, content creation, and FIFA World Cup opportunities. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.